recording. Stop recording. Button.
Huh? What was that? Bing. I don't know. I can barely hear it. Bing. But, friend, you gotta quit jumping so high. Ah, bing. I don't think you can or is never gonna stop jumping so high. Well, anyway, come on, we gotta find a trail. I want me some pineapples and oranges. Oh, yeah, it sounds good together. Look at there. Here's the onion. Oh, there's a head of lettuce over there. Oh, we can have a salad. I like salads. I like salads too. Bang! Well, you gotta quit jumping to come down here and help us pick. Oh, I found a beet. Oh, I like him right there. Oh, here's a pepper. Oh, it ain't hot, is it? Oh, it's yellow. Probably not. Well, all right. What about some mushrooms? No? Are you an expert in mushrooms? No? Nope. Buddy, don't pick no mushrooms unless you're an expert in them. Some of them can hurt you very badly. Okay, I quit bouncing. All right, come over here and help us chop this up. There you go. Here's a clean piece of wood. Okay, here you go. I got it all. Oh, that was fast. Yeah, I can do it very fast. I like that. Shouldn't talk with your mouth full. Really wasn't much, but it'll give us a little energy boost. Yep. All right, let's go. Try walking this time, okay? Okay. Wow, look at over there. Where? Over there. Ooh, I see it. Drop in the mountain. Yeah. It's like a big structured castle. A castle? It's very sparkly and white. And very big. Let's head over there. Yeah, we can get out of the woods for a little while. And maybe they'll have some other good fruits and vegetables. And some good drinks. That's a good idea.
Stop recording.